Have you, as an older gentleman, ever caught a younger woman's gaze and wondered if there's more behind her smile? Today, we're going to delve into the less obvious, yet telling signs that a younger woman finds you attractive. These signals might be concealed in her glances, the nuanced compliments she gives, or the lighthearted banter she shares with you. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to discern these subtle hints, enhancing your understanding of her feelings. Ready to decode the language of attraction and see the signs more clearly? Let's embark on this journey together and unveil these hidden cues. Don't skip the bonus tip at the end of our video, as it seamlessly connects all the dots of our discussion. This pivotal piece of advice will greatly refine your perception and interaction, providing clarity and direction in responding to these subtle signals. 1. Sustained eye contact. Sustained eye contact from a younger woman speaks volumes. Imagine you're at a social gathering or simply out for coffee, and you catch her gaze. It's not just a quick glance. It's a lingering look that seems to hold a message. This isn't your everyday polite eye contact. This has a spark. It's a clear signal that she finds you intriguing. But how do you tell it apart from just being friendly? Here's the thing. Flirtatious eye contact comes with a certain intensity. It's like she's trying to communicate without words, often accompanied by a smile or a subtle eyebrow raise. Friendly eye contact, on the other hand, is more casual, breaking away more frequently. Now, how should you respond to make sure the air stays light and enjoyable? The key is to maintain your composure and return the gaze with a warm smile, acknowledging her interest without jumping the gun. It's like a dance. You want to match her rhythm without stepping on her toes. Confidence is your best attire here. Wear it proudly but humbly. Remember, the aim is to reciprocate respectfully, keeping the atmosphere pleasant and engaging for both of you. 2. Playful touching. When a woman is interested, touch becomes a language all its own. Picture this. You're in the middle of a conversation, and she lightly taps your arm or brushes against your shoulder. These aren't accidental contacts. They're signals. Subtle, yet deliberate. It's her way of saying, "Hey, I'm comfortable with you." Flirtatious touch is different from the everyday kind. It's gentler, more lingering. She might touch your arm to emphasize a point, or lightly brush your back as she walks by. These are her silent whispers of interest. Now, how do you respond without crossing lines or misinterpreting signals? First off, mirror her comfort level, but stay within the bounds of respect. If she taps your arm, a light, brief touch in return can acknowledge her gesture without overwhelming her space. It's like a polite nod in the dance of flirtation, acknowledging the rhythm without stepping into the spotlight. Above all, keep the atmosphere cheerful and respectful. Your response should be a soft echo of her actions, ensuring the connection remains mutual and enjoyable. Remember, confidence paired with respect always strikes the right chord. 3. Laughter and compliments. Laughter is a universal sign of joy, but when it comes from a younger woman directed towards you, it takes on a new hue. It's her way of showing she's not just listening, but truly enjoying your company. And when this mirth is paired with compliments that feel tailor-made for you, it's a beacon of attraction. She might admire your sense of humor, the wisdom in your stories, or how you handle situations with ease. These aren't run-of-the-mill niceties. They're badges of genuine admiration. Now, how about when she mentions something specific, like your unique style, or the way your eyes light up when you talk about a passion? These are not just pleasantries. They're insights into her attention to your details. Acknowledging these moments is key. Respond with a warm, genuine thank you. Humility is golden, but don't shy away from a playful reply. If she commends your style, a light, "Well, I did put a bit of extra effort in today, glad you noticed," can keep the conversation buoyant and reciprocal. It's all about maintaining that delicate balance between appreciation and modesty, ensuring the exchange remains pleasant and full of mutual respect. I hope this video is resonating with you. If it is, why not share the love? Each like, comment, and subscription goes a long way. Thank you for being an essential part of our journey. 4. Mirroring body language. Mirroring body language is like an unspoken dance between two people. It's when she subconsciously imitates your movements and gestures, a sign that she's tuned in and feeling a connection. This could be as simple as taking a sip of her drink when you do, or leaning in while you're making a point. It's her body's natural way of saying, "I'm with you." Noticing mirroring can be subtle. It's in the way she might cross her legs when you do, or how her gestures match the rhythm of yours. These actions are her nonverbal nods of agreement and interest. To spot this, pay attention to how she positions herself throughout your interaction. Is she echoing your posture or movements? Maintaining an inviting posture encourages this kind of connection. Keep your body language open and relaxed. Avoid crossing your arms or turning away, as these can send signals of disinterest. Instead, adopt a stance that says you're open to the conversation and comfortable in the environment. This not only makes you more approachable, but also makes it easier for this natural mirroring to occur, enhancing the mutual feeling of understanding and rapport. 5. Engaging in deep conversations. When a younger woman seeks out deep, personal conversations with you, it's a sign she values your thoughts and sees you as more than just a passing acquaintance. She might delve into topics like dreams, fears, or life experiences, areas that require trust and emotional investment. This isn't small talk. It's her way of peeling back layers to understand the real you. Engaging in these conversations meaningfully involves a careful balance. Show interest and ask thoughtful questions, but always respect boundaries. It's like walking through a garden. Admire the beauty without plucking the flowers. Show empathy and understanding. And when sharing your own experiences, be genuine, but not overbearing. Listening is as crucial as speaking. In these moments, your attention should be undivided. This isn't just about waiting for your turn to speak. It's about truly understanding her perspective. Reflect on what she says and respond with insight. This mutual exchange of thoughts and feelings not only deepens the connection, but also demonstrates your respect and interest in her as a person. Remember, genuine interest can be the strongest form of flattery and connection. 6. Seeking your company. When she consistently seeks your company, suggesting coffee dates or weekend walks, it's a bright neon sign of her interest. This repeated initiative to spend time together goes beyond mere politeness. It's her way of saying, you're someone she wants to be around. Notice the pattern. If she's often the one initiating or seems genuinely disappointed when plans fall through, that's your clue. Responding to these invitations with enthusiasm shows that you're equally interested, but balance is key. Show appreciation for her initiative. It's not every day someone makes an effort to include you in their plans. When suggesting your own ideas, do so with confidence, but keep her comfort and interest in mind. Think of activities that could interest both of you, making the time spent together enjoyable and memorable. Moreover, be proactive but not pushy. It's about creating opportunities to deepen the connection naturally. Whether she suggests a plan or you do, the underpinning message should be mutual respect and a genuine desire to spend time together. Remember, every invitation is a step closer to understanding each other better in this evolving dance of mutual interest. Bonus tip: the power of confidence. Confidence isn't just a trait, it's an aura that enhances your attractiveness manifold. It's about embracing who you are, your journey, and your age with pride. Remember, confidence is contagious. It can transform how others perceive you, making you more appealing. It's that self-assured smile, the calmness in your voice, and the way you carry yourself that says, I am comfortable in my own skin. Building this confidence, especially in social settings, starts with recognizing your strengths. Reflect on your experiences, the wisdom you've accumulated, and the unique qualities you bring to the table. Practice positive self-talk and set small, achievable goals to boost your self-esteem. Remember, every social interaction is a chance to refine your social skills, not a test of your worth. And here's where your age becomes your ally, not a liability. Your years are packed with stories, lessons, and a depth of character that many find irresistibly attractive. Use this to your advantage. Embrace your experiences and let them inform your interactions. This perspective is invaluable and can only amplify your appeal. So stand tall, engage genuinely, and let your seasoned charm shine through. Remember, confidence starts with you. Now that you know how to spot her flirtatious signals, what's next for you? Discover the signs she's checking you out, or learn the best techniques to win over younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.